This is Fujicha Standard T6 parking terminal with card dispensing function. We will give an introduction of their installation, infrastructure and debug of T6 parking terminal. First come is the location and installation. Open the housing shell with a key. Inside there will be 2 clamping block and 4 fixed screws. Put the clamping block at the bottom of the housing shell. Mark the hole with pen. Move away the housing shell. Drill the holes. Move back the housing shell and fix it with a screw firmly. Next, we will introduce the components and function after power on. Information display screen. It displays the time, date and other information required by customer. Display signal icon, including variegate indicator, loop sensor indicator, system status indicator. Variegate indicator turns blue when the variegate is rising, and turns red when it closes in place. Loop sensor indicator turns red when there is no car, while it turns blue when there is car. System status indicator is glittering under normal circumstance. The system status indicator turns red, and information display screen reads system under maintenance. When the system is under maintenance, this light keeps on or keeps off when the password is incorrect by scanning card. This is the edge of the card dispensing machine, and below is the push button for getting card. This is their intercom push button. This is the power control unit for the parking terminal. This is their A-brake switch and it connects with their 220 volts power cord. This is our 24 volt switch power supply. It supplies power to the card dispenser and the side light of the housing shell. This is a vehicle detector. It sends the loop sensor signals to main control box. Here are 2 transformers. 9 volts transformer supply power to main control board, while 12 volts transformer to information display screen. This is our 12 volts relay. It connects the main control board to control the status of the side light. This is our connecting terminal. It connects the power and the main control board. Here is the side light of the housing shell. It will light up at night to give reminder to the cars. Now let's start their inner structure and function of each components. This is the card dispenser of T6 parking terminal. It dispenses hourly cards and swallow invalid cards. This is the main control part T6 on main control board. This is 485 hub. H1. The function is to protect communication and anti-lightning strike. We need to connect their input terminal of the 485 communication line to its output terminal in order to achieve the communication between the parking terminal and the computer. There is an IC card reading antenna on the T6 card dispenser. Let's turn to T6 on main control board. This is our thermal sensor radiator fan. When the temperature inside reaches, it will work automatically, which can decrease the temperature and increase the life of your ARM control board. Here are 2 pins for program download. It's seldom used. These are 2 IC card reader interface. One interface is for the reader which read on panel. The other is for the reader and card dispenser. This is their interface of the card dispenser and connects the card dispenser directly with a wiring terminal. This is the power connection interface for the card dispenser. The 24-volt switch power supply is connected to supply power to the card dispenser. This is the power connection port of your ARM control board. It connects with AC 9 volts. This is card clearing button. After the card collector is full, we can simply press this button and the card dispenser can take in card again. This is their interface former and control board status output and sub-communication and so on. Connect it to the display signal icons. This is the connection port for the side light. It controls the on and off of the side light. To Phoenix terminal of the main control board. This is their interface for the main communication. It connects to 485 hub. These are their interfaces for the Barry gate. Connect them respectively with the Barry gate controller to open the Barry gate. This is their interface for the loop sensor single input. Connect it with vehicle detector to send signals to the main control board. This is the to Wigent interface. To connect Wigent 26 divided by 34 at reader, we need to connect a GND when connect the reader. This is the RS-232 interface. It connects to the barcode scanner or ticketing dispenser. There are marks on the main control box. Connect wires by referring to the marks. Last, let's debug the parking terminal. The machine can start working if no problem occurred during debugging. Firstly, let's load their information of the display screen. If their information can be loaded successfully, it means that the main and sub communication work properly. Test the P icon. When the software is loading system under maintenance, P flashes red. There is system under maintenance on the display screen. P turns blue when software loading is cancelled. The display screen will display normal information. The Berry gate indicator is blue when the Berry gate is open. The Berry gate indicator turns red when it closes in place. The loop sensor icon is blue when there is car on the loop. If the above 3 tests are okay, the display signal icons work properly. Last, let's test the card reader and the card dispenser. Punch the card on the card reading area. If there is voice prompt and the screen displays card reading information, the card reading function is okay. Press the button for card dispenser. The card will come out automatically. If the card is not taken away, the Berry gate will not open. After the card is taken away, the Berry gate will open automatically. If the card is not taken away within 15s, the card dispenser will take in the card. The card dispenser will take in the card if the card is invalid card or monthly card. After the above debug steps, the parking terminal can put into use.